Good day, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. This is Mr. Shea Play. We are outside giving the girls a top up of water. Alright, so quick note. We're going to get to the point right now. See how they're huddling? Yes, they're cold. It's minus 22 in northern New Brunswick. We get cold weather. Everyone's always asking me, how come I don't heat my coop? This is why. They huddle together. Look. They huddle together. Look. That's how they stay warm. They switch sides. They huddle together. Yes, their feet gets cold. Yes, they do get frostbite. Anybody else that doesn't... honestly, if there's a person that says that their birds don't get frostbite, it's probably because they gotta heat a coop, and it's also probably because your power doesn't go out all the time. Our power here every winter goes out probably a couple times, maybe not every single year, but we always end up with a really bad snowstorm, and we were supposed to get one tonight. But honestly, the storm has gotten better, so it's not going to be quite as bad. Alright, so I brought my light tonight because I wanted to light up in the nesting box a little better. Without trying to blind the camera. So this brown one, something I've noticed, always sticks with the Brody. I wouldn't even say she's Brody. I think she's either trying to learn from her, or maybe she's just cold and she's smart and she's warming up her feet. Because honestly, underneath both of them right now, they're very warm. I always take my glove off to this one because she's not cross. She's never pecked me, and she has a bunch of eggs under her. So here's 2 Brahma eggs. I guess the nice thing about having these hens want to sit on eggs is that they're not freezing. And this big brown one, jeez, oh my gosh, she's even warmer. So she even has 2 eggs under her. So maybe she is Brody. I thought she was just wanting to watch. Yeah. No, she's definitely she might be Brody too all of a sudden. It's so weird. Why do chickens go Brody in the wintertime? I would like to know that. Why do they go Brody in the wintertime? So now I gotta see if I can find some more eggs, because all the birds are coming out now. They're coming out to play. I see red. Somebody's bleeding. I don't know who, but somebody is. Not a whole lot of red, but I saw a red spot. So I'm gonna hang up my eggs. I only got 4 eggs so far. I'm assuming I got some up in the top corner. Put this light back on my head so I'm not blinding everyone. Yep. So I had a bunch of broken eggs up here, because they must be eating the eggs now. I don't know. I need to stop feeding them it. Because I got a blue one that they pecked all, and a light brown one. And these are all cracked anyway, so I'm gonna have to figure out where to put the nesting box, because they can't have They can't have the eggs up here, they're freezing. Yeah, like I lost two and two are semi-frozen. So they just saw me do that. So that's 4 less eggs. Watch this. Come on, eat. Come on, girls. She likes that big yolk. I didn't really want it in my glove like that, but anyway. This is Pikachu here, and this is Phoenix. Like I said in my yesterday's video, they're the old girls, they're the dominant girls, and this is Crow. She had a sister that was identical to her. Her name was Raven. She died last year. But Phoenix and Pikachu, they're very tame. Well, Pikachu's tame, Phoenix not so much. I haven't really touched Phoenix too much as far as like picking her up and stuff. Some of these hens I didn't really spend much time with, so that's the reason that some of them I can pick up and some of them I can't pick up. If you just have a small flock and you pick up your hens every day, they're gonna get used to you. But when you got, last year I had almost 120 birds. So I mean, when you got that many birds, it's kind of hard to follow all your birds. I mean, I started naming them, so a lot of these birds have names except for the newest ones. So if you guys got any cool hen names, share them in the comments, and I'll take a look at them. So we got one of my roosters on the other side, that's Silky. We named him Todd. So, which is one of my, not my workers, but one of the workers that I work with, a friend of mine at the canvas facility that I work at. So, anyway, we're gonna name him that because there he is there. So that's the Easter egger on the right, and that's Charlie that just went by. Oh. There's Sarge. There's Charlie. There's Sarge again. There's Todd. What you doing, buddy? Alright, so I want to check over this top corner. Alright, so we're going to fill up the water feeder again. It's still at the 2-gallon mark, but I'm going to fill it up anyway. So I want to go over the size of the rubbers on these again. Now this is a 5-gallon Farms Innovation water feeder. Now Now what I'm doing here is obviously just using a 5-gallon water jug. I always found that was easy for me. So it's important to take your cap. Let me get on this side. Block the hole. Obviously, as soon as you open the top, it's going to come out. This one I usually have to straddle. I might not be able to get it, it's frozen. Hate the struggle on video. That was hard to get off. Yep, that's what she said. I know that's what my son would have said right now, so Chase, if you're watching, laugh. Alright. It's nice and warm. Okay, so I'm going to get the water jug. Walking on any hens. And trying not to get crapped on. Swirly boat. Try not to spill any. When you fill them up every 2 days, you start to kind of, well, I don't know about you guys, but I got lazy sometimes, and this one's really frozen. I don't know if that's gonna work very good. Let's try it anyway. I might have to bring her in the house next one. All right, like I said, you don't have to put it super tight, but you will hear the air. So perfect. Now next time I'm gonna have to bring it in the house, and because she's getting frozen. So all right, now this is my oyster shell trough. If you guys are just tuning in, this is your first time watching, you can look back through the videos. You'll see where I talked about this. Where the idea came from. It was just this was an old toy that my girlfriend, I don't know if it was her or her brothers, but her dad would have probably built it, but obviously didn't have the bar on top. I put that there so they couldn't perch up on it. Just big long spikes on either side. They're 5-inch spikes, I believe, or 6-inch spikes, and it just spins. And this was an old like truck box, like transport truck. It had 2 wheels here. Anyway, that was just the trailer portion, so I used that because it was already built as a trough, just to hold the oyster shells. They're all getting tucked in there. But they might even huddle in there, right? So, oh, they're fighting. Well, maybe she's gonna lay an egg. They're definitely, they're fighting, they're pecking at each other. She's probably, maybe she's gonna lay an egg. There's no eggs in there. She just put her wing over the white one. That was pretty neat. I think she lost her balance and she like put her wing right over her. Alright, now I can go over to the rooster pen, which this is all open now. So that's more convenient. And I come over here to the boys. So this is my Easter egger. I'm pretty sure it's Charlie. So Charlie boy right here. That's Charlie, that's Sarge. So this is Sarge, my Jubilee. He's beautiful. I love his colors. Hey, buddy. Look at the sheen, watch when I shine it. And this is, I should call him, instead of Stanley Jr., I should call him Sketchbag, because I can't even get close to him. He just runs away. But look at his comb. His comb has like 10 points. Instead of like... This is a buff Brahma drinking. Well, he was drinking. My buff Orpington. This is Bert. That's Ernie. There's my Silky. His name's Todd. The bucket works awesome. Such a nice rooster. He's one I couldn't get rid of. Bird, I only keep him because he's like so docile that I can put him on my shoulder, and he's huge. He's been through a rough time. He lost all his comb last winter. He had a big comb like sketch bag there. He had a big comb like him. Look at his comb. Should call you non-typical. Hey, Todd. Todd's pretty friendly. I could pick him up. But Silkies aren't known to be aggressive anyway. And Bert, hey buddy, what are you doing? Sarge is not like, he's not friendly. He's just, as soon as I touch him, he'll jump. See? Now Charlie, I can't even get close to him anymore because I've caught him so many times. He doesn't want to be caught no more. You doing, Charlie boy? He said, I'm old, leave me alone. What you doing, bud? Hello. You doing, buddy? He got some spurs to him. See, Bert's always stuck to me. What you doing? What you doing, Char? What you doing, Bert? So I'm kind of hoping that I don't get a whole bunch of blown snow in my coop tonight. I blocked off, I don't think I showed you guys yet actually on video, so I spray foamed all the tops. all around. All around here. I put some small pieces of Tyvek up to stop the wind all down the side. I just opened one of my big feed bags that I had got. I had got some not feed bags, sorry, wood shavings bags, and I opened one up because I had it in here, didn't have to go anywhere, and I put that up just to stop some draft in here. So quite the difference already. You can tell it's much more dead air. I put that silver insulation, I put that covering the door so that no snow would come in. I stapled that all really good all around. The only thing is on this side of the door, I'm going to have snow blowing. And there's not much I can do about it other than put another piece of Tyvek up along the wall, maybe. Or actually just go right over the whole door. Maybe that makes more sense. I could like go up the side here and right up to the roof, over and down the door frame. Actually, you know what? That might be a good idea. Would have been a better idea to do the whole wall, but I got so much stuff that well, not really so much stuff. I just got that nesting box, which doesn't need to be there anymore. And this roosting box, but it's froze to the ground, so I can't get it out now unless I cut the legs. So and I like keeping it separate coops because if ever I get different birds, or I don't really want turkeys again, to be honest with you, but if I ever get like meat birds maybe, my plan is to just have them kind of secluded in this one 8x8 with the outdoor pen, and then put my roosters probably in this 8x8 right here. So they would have an 8x8 with this little 4x4 on the side, which you'd put your feed or whatever. So yeah, and they all got feeders. So in the summertime, I have automatic 600 liter tote, which is outside this wall. And next year I have a window. I want to put a window here just for some light. Just for different hours of the day. I can have light always in here because it's always dark. That's why I have these lights on all the time. They're just LEDs, but... Alright, so I'm going to cut a piece of, I think I'm going to cut a piece of wood. Well, not a piece of wood, but a piece of, well, I do have a piece of wood too I could put right over top of the door. Anyway, I'm going to come up with an idea, and we'll probably do another video just showing you guys what we did, but I'm thinking a similar idea like this. I'm going to use Tyvek. I think that's the easiest just for tonight, since it's going to snow in a few hours. So I'm supposed to get like 20 centimeters of snow, so I want to try to get everything up as good as I can. Okay, y'all. Have a good one. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching the channel. Have a good night.